Did you know that bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, has anti-inflammatory qualities that can help soothe a sore throat and a cough? Bromelain, a substance found in pineapple, can help reduce inflammation in the throat tissues when treating a sore throat and cough, bringing relief and relieving the discomfort. By lessening inflammation in the throat and airways, it might also aid to reduce coughing. In addition to bromelain, pineapples are a great source of vitamin C and other healthy components that strengthen the immune system and advance general health.